Hey y'all, this is Amanda and welcome back to my Texas Zone 8A garden. And today's video is a continuance from yesterday's heirloom chrysanthemum video. And now I'm going to be taking all of these beautiful chrysanthemums that I harvested and working them into a beautiful market style bouquet. Okay, it is actually the next day. I'm going to put together a bouquet of mums. I'm going to put together basically a market style bouquet. So it's just going to be all the flowers gathered up and wrapped in brown paper. The brown paper that I use is from the Dollar Tree, so really inexpensive. I also use a stapler, which is helpful. And I have some other blooms too. I have some sunflowers that I think I'm going to mix in as well. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm leaving town today, so I thought it would be good. I don't want these flowers to go to waste, so I thought it'd be good to just go ahead and put some together for my mom. And I'm not looking to get like super fancy with this. It's supposed to be market style, so it's going to be like a little bit rustic feeling. A lot of these are still trying to open up. And I really did kind of like the ombre effect that I had when I had gathered all of these up. So what I'm going to do is, like, every once in a while, just tuck in a handful of sunflowers into the design. And I'm doing everything just kind of laying down a little bit easier because this is a lot of blooms. So it's a little bit easier just to have them laying down. Also got a little bit of coleus to tuck in for a little bit of that fall color. Okay, and then I'm going to put in just a little bit of fresh basil at the edge, because my mom can use it in the arrangement, or she can use it for food if she wants to put it in a recipe. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is just take a piece of twine, and I'm just going to go under the middle of the bouquet, bring it up, and tie it off so that the center kind of stays together. It's a pretty big bouquet. I'm not going to tie this too tight because I don't want to break any stems. Yeah, that's unbelievably beautiful. All right, I'm going to put that to the side for a minute. Down my surface. My marigolds are kind of old, so I don't think they're going to do very well, but they are very pretty. So next I'm going to take my brown paper, and I just basically need like a square, and then I'm going to take the square and I'm going to fold it in a diagonal, and you don't have to have it match up perfectly, just like that. Come through with my flowers. I think I need to tighten up my twine. And then I'm just going to take the brown paper and fold it over. Fold it over this way, and then I'll just use a stapler to staple the two folds together. And I usually do that at the bottom too. Now you can do it tighter where the stems come at the bottom and put in the water. I'm taking these directly to my mom, so I'm not worried about it, but how gorgeous are those? Beautiful, right? My mom's birthday is Halloween, and we are going to be out of town for Halloween, so this will be really fun to drop off ahead of time. I know she'll really enjoy it. She does enjoy arranging flowers and having fresh flowers in her house, but that looks amazing. All right, you all, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Now, I'm going to be gone for 2 days. When I'm back, I'm going to pop into the backyard, take a little bit more footage of any of the additional mums that have bloomed out larger, and I'll put those after this at the end if there are any. But you know, we're about 2 weeks ahead for our freeze, so it's a little disappointing. So, all right, lessons learned this year with the chrysanthemums. I'm so excited. They are going to be amazing for years to come. And yes, I'm going to be investing in more chrysanthemums. because I really do enjoy them. I think they're such a fun and hardy flower to grow, and they definitely give me my fix considering that I haven't been able to really grow dahlias. All right, y'all, as always, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when my latest videos are up, and be sure to check me out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. As always, she's a mad gardener or decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.